How to set up automated replies on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up automated responses on Facebook Messenger. It's super quick and easy. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, while you can reply to messages directly from your personal account or page, automated responses are only available for the Facebook pages. And here to access that feature, you need to install a different app. So here just open the Play Store, and here once you have opened the Play Store, simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for Meta Business Suite. And now here you simply have to install this app because it's made by the same company that owns Facebook and Messenger. So here you can simply go ahead and download it. And here, once installed, you simply have to open the app and it will automatically show any Facebook pages that you manage on your account. But here you simply have to log in with that account first. And now here, once you're inside the app, then you simply have to tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in this section, you simply have to tap on settings. And here, once you're inside the settings, you simply have to scroll down and tap on the option labeled as automations. And now here in this section, below the option that says suggested for you, there you simply have to tap on the button that says see all. And now here you'll find options like instant reply, away message, frequently asked questions, contact info, locations and hours. So here each of these can send automated messages to the people who message your page. So here, for example, let's set an automated messages for business hours. So here, you can just tap on the shared information, let's say for hours. So here, you can simply scroll down and here there you will see the message that has been written already. But here if you want to edit, then you can simply type something like our working hours are 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And here once you're done with it, you can simply hit save. And here, anyone who message you will automatically see this reply. And here you can also enable the instant reply messages. So here you simply have to go back and tap on instant reply. And now here, as you can see, there the message has already been made by the business suite, but you can also edit it. So here to enable the automation, you simply have to toggle on the messenger option. And here once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on save. And here with this, you can use any other options like away messages when you are not available during weekends or vacations, and these small automations can save you a lot of time and help manage customers' chats more efficiently. And that's it. That's how you can set up automated replies on Facebook Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.